We'll guide you through how to gift Steam games. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Steam, and so you want to go and gift somebody a game. Perhaps it's their birthday, perhaps it's another celebration, or you just want to go and give it to them because you're feeling nice and maybe you want to go and play with them. It doesn't matter, we're going to guide you through how this can be done step by step. And so they're going to have the game in their library and go and own it. So to go and get started with this, what we need to do is we need to go and come into Steam, and you need to go and hover over your name at the top here and go down to friends. You need to make sure you've got them added. So what you can do is go over to the right here to where it says add a friend, and you can go and click there and you can go and add them. So you can go and scroll down, try searching for them. And then what you'll need to do is send them a request and they'll need to have it accepted. I've actually already got the person here who I want to go and gift the game to. That's fine. They're already added. Now what you can do is come to the store and we need to go and find the game you want to do this with. So I'm just going to scroll down here and go and find an example game. When you found the game you want to do it with, you can go and click on it like so. Now what you can do is go and scroll down like so. Now there are going to be different editions, so choose the edition you want to do it with. And what you can then do is go and press add to cart to the right. Of course, make sure this is the one you want to do it with. Then what you can do is you need to go and press on the option view my cart like so. That will bring you to your cart. Now you're going to notice below it here, it says for my account. Click there and you can select this is a gift. And now we can go and start the option. So press continue to gift options and we need to go and select the recipient. So as you can see, we can then see our friends here, search for them. We'll just go and find the person you want to do it with and click on them. You can then go and add in the message. So you could say happy birthday, whatever you want. Come down to delivery. So at the moment, it's as soon as possible. So when you go and purchase it, they're all then going to be sent to them. But you could go and schedule it if it's for a certain date. I'll do as soon as possible, and you can press continue the payment, and you can then go and choose how you want to go and pay and make the purchase. And that's it. It'll then be sent to them and they can go and accept it and get it. Leave a like if you found this useful.